Merry Christmas, everyone. My name is Jamie French, and on behalf of all of us here at Advent Partners, we hope you and your family are looking forward to a wonderful Christmas. I am here today with our last market update of 2024, and I'll give you a brief synopsis, a year in review, if you will, and then talk a little bit about the Fed meeting that occurred today, Wednesday. And so, as we look back at this past year, from my perspective, it was a surprisingly strong year in the market with surprisingly low volatility. At the beginning of the year, valuations were pretty high, and going into an election year, we typically anticipate more volatility than what we saw. And so, we've been blessed with great results this year and are thankful for the impact on the portfolios that we manage. From a bond market perspective, returns were a little bit more muted, which is understandable given the interest rate environment that we are in, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. As we look forward to 2025, valuations in the stock market remain high. And so we're going to pay attention to corporate earnings in order to determine whether there's some more run left in this market or not. And from a bond perspective, that's going to be more subject to interest rate choices. And so I want to shift gears here and talk a little bit about the Fed and what was communicated today. So, to no one's surprise, the Fed dropped interest rates another 0.25% today. That was widely anticipated, so not a lot of surprise there. What was a little bit different is that in the past, the Fed has indicated that they anticipate maybe another four rate cuts in 2025. And today that language changed a little bit. And the indication was maybe two more rate cuts in 2025. I don't know that the market liked that too much today, but it is a sign that the Fed sees some positive economic indicators in terms of slowing inflation, economic growth, and unemployment remaining low. So as we go into the new year, we'll be looking at corporate earnings. We'll be paying attention to what the Fed is doing. And that's kind of a wrap for 2024. From all of us here at Advent Partners, I want to thank you all for your continued trust and loyalty. We wish you a Merry Christmas, and we look forward to serving you in the new year.